Look, do you think I should do her here? Should she be here?
Try.
Oh, she's make me nervous. Okay. It's really cool though. It's so durable, this butterflies, but then also it blend right into the nails. Look. Ooh. Look cute. Did I give this 30 seconds? Yeah, okay. Sorry. Each time you're using yours, make sure you get the 30-second flash gear. Look at that. She's big. And
It's
I really
shiny.
like shiny. Ooh. Okay, let's see if we can do...
Smaller one.
Should we do a smaller one? Let's try smaller one. All right, everyone. If I missed your questions, just bear with me, all right? I'm just like having so much fun here, and I don't want you to feel like ignore you, which is I am not. Let's try to see how I can take care of this cute butterflies right here, because before they flying away. All right, so she's smaller one, and should I do in other colors? Can you tell me that everyone say something? If anyone want to see something.
They say if you need to cut them in half.
Oh yeah, that's right. I did one time, but thank you so much for reminding too. No, I want a whole butterflies. But also it's a great idea. You can absolutely cut her in half.
You want to move your hand up a bit?
All
There
right.
you go.
Can we do different one? Why we have to stick in the same color?
You shouldn't. Well, you have 3 on there already.
Give me the other one then.
I don't think you have any more room on that one though.
No, I want to put in here.
Sure, you can put some crystal on it if you want more butterfly.
Oh, maybe crystal, huh? Should I do a crystal in there? Looks
Some of
cool.
them. If you have a lot of butterfly, that's a lot.
Okay, that's okay because they hold like a whole team of them flying. Okay, so I'm gonna close this because I don't want to be accident to poke myself again, which is I did before. And I'm gonna, it's really cool. It's like a 3-dimension. And then I am going to using condensed glue gels right in front of me right there. Really thick density. If you're first time doing crystal placements, and it's really is normal when you feel it's really thick density. So hi Lily, hi Tammy, hi Brad, how are you? They're all from Facebook. Hello, thanks so much for tuning in. So I'm gonna blend it really nicely. And before I'm curing it, I am going to put the no wipe top coat on, the white top coat, and condensed glue gel. And here will help grab the base of crystals, charm chains in nice place. All right, so where my no wipe top coat right there. Here, let me show you right there. The no wipe top coat right in my front of me. Hey, Cece. A little on. Hold on, I missed something. What did you lady talking about and I missed it? All right, I am going to do some AB, or if you don't have AB, you have some green, some blue. I think it looks cute as well. Got my picker. Somehow I didn't have it. Oh, I cleaned it up my station and one side here. I think get the beads as well.
Bead? Which one? Metal bead?
Yeah.
Which color?
Gold, please. So if you don't want it, for instance, if your clients don't like to get any of this crystal on, absolutely fine. I think it looks gorgeous by itself. It doesn't have to be necessary having any if you don't want to. But also, if the clients really like it, you can like place some crystals on it. To me, it's just my personal preference. Like I feel it's not feel complete when I don't put some crystal on it. But I respect a lot of clients like who like, you know. But if they can't do crystal placement, then do butterflies on it. Or if they don't want crystal placement, then you do transfer foil. However makes your clients happy. I think either way it looks good. So excited. Alright, give it a little bit and off the side so you can still see some veins in here. And it's just like what I want, but doesn't mean what you want. So I'm gonna using a gold beads. And place in. So how do you place your crystal placement? We still have a lot of questions we're asking too for the beginners. Just as long as you place your crystal really close and tight together, the closer you get it together, the tighter is, the better it's gonna last, and it's gonna look so connect together. It looks so neat and feel complete.
Alright. So ladies, so right after this now I'm gonna restart the stream, okay?
Why is
It
that?
seemed like just the quality getting really, really bad. So I'm gonna restart the stream, make it look a little bit better. But I guess we're gonna try to finish this now real quick.
What happened?
Before I do that.
What happened again?
Quality is dropping.
It is? Everybody couldn't see it?
Again bad. And on a laptop too. So just, yeah, finish up quickly. And yes, lady, we'll be right back. We're gonna restart the stream the moment Ness is done with this nail.
All right, so, okay, you can restart it and we're gonna be back with a fresh one, yeah?
Yes. All right, we'll be right back, guys.
Come back with me, please. Maybe it was a lot of people streaming at the same time, probably.
Internet, yeah. Today the 4th? I guess. Alright, say hi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial.
This one should be a lot better.
Thank you everyone for tuning right back in. We appreciate it so much.
Alright everyone, just let me know if it's still grainy, if the quality is still dropping, but it should be a lot better. But if the internet is fluctuating, do let me know. Bring it up. There you go. Just a minute.
Alright,
There we go. Much better.
much better now. Oh, okay, I'm so
I think like they just throw out our local internet, which just happened like randomly for the last couple of weeks.
Alright. So make her go that way a little bit. And this way. Okay. So if I'm happy with this, I am going to cure this one for a 60 second.
All right, so move it around for people to see, because like it was super blurry, they cannot see much.
Okay.
Move around, people see it just a bit.
Why
Alright.
is the lining so dark though?
It's okay. No, that's because you're a butterfly. Give me.
It looks like it's so dark though. Laura, yes, is the butterfly decal is available on the website right now and is still going strong for 20% off for Memorial's weekend. So check it out.
All right.
And I'll send you the website. Can you type in the website for her? Thank you, Cece. All right, so we have a really cool is this nails, and we're gonna continue doing it. If you want to see more fusioning, let me know. So we can do a different colors. Doesn't have to be in that burning heart. And I think in greens we can do a different. We can do a passionate and delights, which is really nice. One of the really nice colors that I like as well.
Here we go.
We can do these two colors. This one is really cool. So vibrant for summertime. And before we finish with this one, I am going to double secure this one. If you're first tuning in, I am using is Precision glue gels right on in front of you right now. And on the top cap is take me to the needle size of my precision glue, and on the other ends right here, when you unscrew this, will take me to the precision brush of precision glue gel. This will help me and give me a chance to fill in any cracks, gaps, edges of the crystals and chain charms and beads, which is I feel scratchy right here, which is gonna really easy to catching on a client's hair. So I don't want that gonna happen. I'll make sure that it's gonna be both me and the client to sit back and ensure her crystal are staying in nice place, and also will last up to 3 to 6 weeks. So I'm really obsessed with this, and especially I was really used to be really afraid of to doing a lot of different designs and crystal placement because they look so gorgeous for picture and it keep falling off. It's you no longer no more it's happened like that. So that's why I always repeating on a different live streams, because and just in case you are just first tuning in, so we would like to make sure that you can get all that, you know, a tip and tricks from us. So I am using my Precision, like I'm always call it because it's so detailed, and like a detailed brush from a chin tip brush, and I'm blending all of the extra Precision glue gels that I just applies on. Each time I'm using just a little bit, but sometimes you're feeling you really have extra on it, so make sure you blend them. So then they will really like a blend really nicely, so it looks really nice when after you finish it, so it doesn't look lumpy and bumpy on your designs. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna key it for 60 seconds, and this nail will be done. If you don't want that colors of butterflies, there's a ton of them. There's 9 different designs, so then I think it's a rose gold in there. Also, you can do encapsulating this one too, and maybe on tomorrow's contents we can do encapsulating with your cute butterflies. So like cover is like hollows. If you have all the different colors of we have butterflies, like over 20 different designs. I think 20 different set, and there's another 9 more set of this, or like in a whole entire of 30 different collection. Is really stunning, is really cool. You will fulfill all the clients' requests, and it's not only is really keep you enjoy what you're doing, also is really is increase your incomes on your services with the clients when you get back. Or if you are not back to work yet and you're working on your press on and glue on nails, it's going to be another great stunning cool designs for you. It's really simple, easy, quick. All right, so that nails is done. I'm really obsessed with this,